Hello everyone, good morning. I am Risalat. So today I am going to discuss about how to create a console setup on FireBase. How to create a FireBase console setup. Okay. Now firstly we will open a Google. Okay. Open the FireBase console. So we will FireBase push notification. FireBase such as server. Our server. Set up FireBase cloud messaging and go to console on this setup. Okay. Create a new project and our project name is push 3. Our project name is first video create on this project, one setup on this push 3. Okay, now we're gonna create on this project, continue and select account default Firebase account. Okay, now we're gonna create on this Firebase. Inside project, create a new app, select and this use create new project on a Firebase project linking on a our modeling our project, and we add on this and combine on this project with use of bundle ID. Okay, now we're gonna create on this project. Okay, your new project is ready. Continue. Okay, this is our project. Okay, now we're gonna create with iOS applications. First application name, register, app bundle ideas, which have our inside project. Create a new app, select iOS. Inside project, create a new app, bundle ID. Our project bundle ID, which have open is the bundle ID, which have this is our project bundle ID. Now we're gonna add on this our project bundle ID. Okay, and my app name is push 3. Okay, register app. Register app. Okay, download Google service info list file and add on this our project. Okay, we're gonna show in Finder and open your project and add on this Google service file, and this is info list. Okay, this is a finish. Add on the info list file for project. Okay, now we're gonna remove this project Firebase console. Okay, next and this is the integration code. Next. Okay, console on the screen. Okay, then this open your application, create your application. Okay, download console Google service file and add to the project. So go to the cloud messaging on a project setting, and which have cloud messaging and which have cloud messaging. So this is the server key and sender key and token, server key and sender key. Actually server key and so go to the console. Okay, message, go to the project key with server key and sender key for you for backend developer use in the server key and sender key. Okay, now we're gonna add on this app development APN certificate and a production APN certificate, production and development certificate such as development P12 certificate and production P12 certificate. Add on this APN certificate. We create on this how to create a P12 certificate production, how to create a P12 certificate development by using APNS certificate. APNS certificate download on the appledeveloper.com site, and we're going to add on this our keychain, and keychain we're going to create on this P12 certificate. Okay, now your setup on this cloud setup. Okay, complete Firebase authorization project view. Then we're going to create on this our project, suppose which have hosting and project pro view. We're going to create. Okay, so your project is complete. Push 3 app your. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. You can enjoy and like my video. So third video inside about fire code integration to get to FCM token. To get FCM token, FireBase integration next video. I'm not gonna upload.